Welcome to Zervise for Slack. In this video, we'll show you how to configure priority to manage the tickets easily. To manage priorities, go to Admin Settings by clicking the gear icon and select Priority. You can create a new priority from the Settings page. You can filter or sort tickets based on the assigned priority. Each priority has a response time and resolution time. You can update the priority of any ticket using the bulk update options. Existing priorities can be edited from the Settings page. You can also delete any priority except the default ones, urgent, high, medium, low from the Settings page. Thank you for watching.